We're going to show you how to resolve the E0 error on your HP DeskJet 2955 printer. When you power up the printer and you see that there is an E0 error on the control panel, take note of which cartridge is having the issue. You can see that the color cartridge LED is blinking. So to resolve the error, first open the front access door, followed by the ink access door. Remove the color cartridge. Next, put back the color cartridge, ensuring that it snaps properly in place with a click sound. Then close the ink access door and the front door. You can see that the E0 error is resolved. So this is how you resolve the E0 error on your HP DeskJet 2955 printer.